Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Chief Executive Member Kakasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba Tito Starwell Khan hene kasngi habai keren kinongtok kubor ulai thu baka komiti bakerpang kalalap bo Chowkidar udan ketiban Pyndonkam Bakla yakni ke Pisa. Ulai thu baka council kala thong ya ke komiti bakli do CE bat hakini ki khendiat sngi kin sap bantok kit shu sahau CE bat haki kin hun kinong side an. Ula ong ru ba tep hadu kat nu kan shimpor hendai kan chong hau CE hadu kat nu unna ban pendep.
No, because he already, telling the inquiry committee that he's the only one who involved that, for that using that money.
But there were three other.
No, that is totally different. That is a different case. I think better you go to office and you will get all the details.
So what are your initiatives? So
That's why we have constitute a committee headed by the CA. So in the near few days, we will engage a CA, that means a chartered accountant, with legal team, so that they will do all the accounts inquiry.
So this will be a.
We will see how long it will take. We cannot tell now how many days or how many months will take. It depends on the CA.